Do you own a condo that's showing its age a little bit and you want to sell? I've got 4 cheap updates you can do that will provide a high return on investment. 1. Grout cleaning. Wherever there's tile, get it cleaned. Kitchen and bathroom floor, kitchen backsplash, bathroom shower tiles. You can DIY with some toilet bowl cleaner and a stiff bristled brush, but you can also hire it out for usually less than 500 bucks. 2. Swap out your light fixtures, especially your bathroom vanity light. It's not terribly expensive to update them as long as you don't go for the trendy designer type ones. You can find trendy looking lights in pretty much any style you want from anywhere from $25 to $150 each. 3. Change your kitchen cabinet hardware. New cabinet pulls and knobs can really go a long way to update a kitchen and shouldn't cost you more than a couple $100, assuming that you can install them yourself, which isn't really that hard. Check out YouTube. If you want to get really fancy, install new soft close hinges and drawer slides. 4. Replace the kitchen and bathroom fixtures. Now you want to be careful here. You don't want to replace them just because you want to try and match the new light fixtures, or if you're replacing the cabinet hardware, or if they're kind of leaky and gross and you can't kind of get them clean. You can find fixtures for less than 200 bucks each, and you can hire a handy person at 50 bucks an hour to install them for you if you're not comfortable. I'm Jamie Harnish, Toronto Real Estate Navigator with Bosley Real Estate. I want to thank you so much for your time. I appreciate you watching, and I hope to see you again. Take care.